Meaning of debate.
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 Debate. The word debate refers to a formal discussion or argument about a specific topic. It involves presenting and defending different opinions or points of view in an organized and structured manner. Participants in the debate attempt to persuade their audience to accept their position. The result of a debate may be a consensus or agreement among all parties involved, but more commonly, it leads to a deeper understanding of the topic and allows individuals to form their own opinions based on the arguments presented. Ultimately, debates serve as a valuable tool for exploring complex issues and promoting critical thinking.